Namaskar, dear friends. Before learning the syllabus, we must know the activity sheet. So, today we are going to learn about the activity sheet for 9th and 10th classes as per the state board's pattern is concerned. Our activity sheet is divided into 6 sections. The first section is language study, second, textual passages, third one, poetry, fourth one, non-textual passage, then fifth one, writing skill, and sixth one is skill development. For 80 marks this activity sheet is. The first section is dedicated for language study. It has two parts, A and B. The first, A, do as directed. There will be 6 activities and you have to attempt any 4 of them, each for 2 marks. Total 8 marks. First activity is complete the words by using correct letters. So in every word one letter is missing. For example, here school, O, prayer, A, traffic, F, and wealth, L letter is missed here. You have to put them, and don't forget to underline the words you have put there, the letters you have put there. Second one here, put the following words in alphabetical order. 2 sets of the words will be given. In the first set there are 4 words and every beginning letter will be different, therefore it is very easy to find out as per the alphabetical sequence. In the second set there are same letters, beginning letters for all the 4 words. Perhaps sometimes second letter is also same for some of the words, and you have to find out these words and then consider the second letter also as for the alphabetical sequence is there. If you correct it, then you can get full credit, 2 marks for 2 sentences. Third activity is punctuate the following. Punctuation is very important to know the idea very clearly. We must have to use punctuations in writing. Some of the punctuation marks here. While writing, these are very important. 2 sentences will be there. For example, the first sentence here, she said, "Are you hungry?" And second sentence, shocking, remarked Mrs. Bhushan. She said, this is the sentence, that beginning letter must be capital. She said, that means the reported verb is there, therefore comma should be put there. Then quotation marks and beginning letter in the quotation also capital. Are you hungry? Question, and then quotation marks is complete. In this way, she said, "Are you hungry?" The second sentence again, shocking, is the exclamation. Surprisingly, she shocked and she said, "Shocking." Therefore, we have to put in the single quotation marks as capital, beginning letter, then exclamation mark. Remarked Mrs. Bhushan. Mrs. Bhushan is the proper noun, therefore M and B we have to put capital, and then period, that's full stop. Shocking, remarked Mrs. Bhushan. In this way, these 2 sentences if you have written correctly, then you can get the full credit. She said, "Are you hungry?" and shocking, remarked Mrs. Bhushan. These 2 sentences. Then the next activity, fourth one, make 4 words. Minimum of 3 letters must be there in each word from the given word. The word, for example, here, household. We can find some hidden words, small words, for example, house, hold, then here old, use, this type of words. Use these letters and you can write another words also. Any other words will be credited and accepted. Out of 2 marks you can get. Fifth activity is related words. So the word relation is given. For example, here tree and its adjective relation is given there. Therefore, we have to write the adjectives for tree: small, tall, leafy, shady, in this way, and can get full credit if you have written it correctly. Any other adjectives can be written there. Sixth activity, complete the word chain of nouns, adjectives. Perhaps there may be word chain of verbs. Here is the noun word chain is given there, mobile, and you can get 2 marks for that if you have written correct word chain. While writing word chain, remember the previous words last letter should be started for the new word. And from the first question there is B part. It is for 2 marks. Internal options are there for 2. First one is attempt anyone. 2 options will be there. First one, A, make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase in front of. Any phrase can be asked from your textbook. So you have to write it in your own sentence. For example, there is a small garden in front of my house. Any correct or other answer can be accepted here. Or there is option for it, another alternative. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. The given sentence will be there and you have to add another small sentence which is known as clause. Clause is a small part of the sentence. Here the sentence is given, Mr. Patil is my neighbor, and you have to add the clause, Mr. Patil is my neighbor who was home quarantined last month, and you can get 1 mark for it. Any one of the sentences if you have written, you can get 1 mark for that. Then second, attempt anyone again. 2 sentences will be there. First one, add a prefix or suffix to make new words. 2 words will be given, aware and happy. These 2 words are here. For example, unaware and happily, we have used here prefix as well as suffix. You can get 1 mark for that. The second activity again, make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words. The same words which were in the previous activity will be there. Here, aware, I am aware of it, and happy, we are happy staying at home. Any other correct sentences will be accepted. Dear friends, in this way, in the activity sheet, section first is dedicated for language study for 10 marks. We have studied in detail. Thank you. All the best.